NA function returns the error value NA. This value means no value is available. You can use this function to mark blank cells. If any cell has not any value, you can enter NA error value in that cells to avoid the problem of calculations. This function has not argument. Click OK. It returns NA error value in this cell. Active this cell. To display NA error value in this cell, I nest the NA function with an if function. Click in formula bar, enter equal sign, type if function, open bracket, click this cell reference, enter equal sign, enter quote mark, again enter quote mark, enter comma. In value if true argument, type NA function, type NA, open and close brackets, enter comma. In value if false argument, type D5, enter multiplication operator, type C5, close bracket. How does formula work? If cell reference D5 is empty cell, then if function returns the result of NA function, that is NA error value. Otherwise, it returns the result from second argument. Press enter key. If function returns NA error value, because this cell is blank cell, it has not any value. Active this cell, paste the formula in these two cells. Double click. If a function returns the result from second argument in these two cells, because these two cells have values, so NA function is used to mark blank cells.